So it was our second conversation, and now let's see our third conversation. Here it is. This one is nice. It is like about cooking. So here we see mom and daughter. They are speaking. So Dayik is mom and Ketch is daughter. Okay. Dayik says Zozan. Ketch says ha daye. So if someone calls you, you can just say ha, like yeah. Yes, like what? Ha daye, like yes mommy. Daye. Okay, daye is vocative form. It's like mommy. Okay, daye. And for father, you can say bavo. Ho bavo. Ha bavo. Okay. Dayik says tu burchi buyi. Did you get hungry? Tu burchi buyi. Did you get hungry? Ketch, daughter says, yes, bıçeki. Yes, a little bit. Are bıçeki. Dayik says, jeshivere chicken. Like, what shall we cook? What shall we prepare for dinner? Jeshivere chicken. Ketch says, nizanım, I don't know. Belki goştu brunch. Maybe rice and meat. Belki is maybe. Okay, belki. Dayik says, harrosh goştu brunch دخن. We eat meat and rice every day. Harrosh every day. Goştu brunch دخن. Eat meat and rice. We إيرو today تشتكي دن بخن. إيرو تشتكي دن بخن. Like, let's eat something different today, okay? So you see here, the verb is with b, okay? بخن. So when it is with b, it is present subjunctive. So it can be translated as like shall, let, okay? تشتكي دن بخن. Let's eat something else, okay? And Ketch says, ترشك وسافاري بخن. ترشك وسافاري بخن. So ترشك, if you just Google it, ترشك, you will see like dishes from vegetables, okay? And the savar is bulgur, maybe, you know, if you know bulgur. In some region it's called bulgur, but we say savar in Merdin, okay? So Dayik says, are, ترشك وسافار خوشتره. Like, yes, vegetables dishes and savar is better. Ketch says, as Ali tabakam, shall I help you? Okay, like, as Ali tabakam, let me help you. It's a question, so shall I help you? Dayik says, are buka, yes, do, like, help me. Tu sebzayan basho, you wash vegetables. So you see here it's imperative, you wash vegetables. As G one hurbakum, and I will just cut them, slice them, okay? Hurkaran. Ketch says, tamam, gelleki pasha. So now let's read it again. So I will be Dayik and you will be Ketch, okay? Let's try. Zozan, tu burchi bui. Jeshivere chicken. هر روز گوشت و برنج دخن. ایرو تشتگی دن بخن. اره ترشک و سوار خوشتره. اره بکه تو سبزیان بشو از جی وان هور بکم. Bravo. And let's have a look at our vocabulary list. It says برچی. Burchi is Hungary. Shiv is dinner, but don't forget Tashte is breakfast and Fravin is lunch. Okay, they are really important words because food, like eating, is a real, like a big part of our life. Okay, we eat meat too much and like dinner, breakfast, lunch. Yeah. So jeshivere, like for dinner. Okay, jeshivere. Gosh to brunch, meat and rice. Tishtekiden, something else. Okay. Ali couldn't to help. Sebze, vegetables. Bisho, bosh, imperative. It's from shushten. Hurkeren, to slice. Okay. So it was our lesson for today. We studied on 3 conversations today. So it was nice to be with you again. So thank you so much for all your support. If you have any questions, just let me know from comments. I am ready to help you whenever you need. Okay, so have a nice, today is Thursday, so have a nice Friday and weekend. Okay, بخاطري وحتى فيديو يكدن. بكا بكا and au revoir.